Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to download Korean drama or any video using your mobile phone. Okay, let's start. The first thing we need to do is open Google Play. Search for UC browser, then install it. Open UC browser, then go to the address bar and type kissasian.sh. Search any Korean drama that you want, then click the link per episode. Click the play button and wait for the video to play. While the video is playing, you can see the download button in the lower part of the video. Click it and it is done. You are now downloading a video. Very simple, right? It is also applicable to any videos or websites except for YouTube. That's all guys. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click subscribe.